nó mềm thì cần lâu đấy in nó mềm.
A few minutes later.
Ê, ô cả lâu cơ.
Đồ điện thoại thì chọn đồ hoặc tại sao cái đồ điện thoại lâu in thì cần lấy đủ để cần lấy thế à mi giống giống hiện sẽ vek lâu mi số lần tầm một tụ cật pa thì bao thế tầm một tụ khám bông đâu wakati ông bông vang khát chi lâu suy kin đã join em
Này lâu. Bác ạ, khi CCTV gắn vào với cái lồng. Cô ông bố chung bố khăn phone chơi ông đàn giống sông kén với cái lồng. Mizoram Security Surveillance bunglo zo na hun puya hian ren ling lut ve ro le CCTV aman to ber changa to ber thin kan kola aizol pon lam atanga min do tu te po amuna kan wa sak theye I mobile phone na changa ol sam takai thir thei turin I CCTV le I phone athonin kan thunzom sak thei boke arrest traders third isolation U13 Hospital Road Dorpui phone 9862 327 777
ตุนตรุม Zonet Lamkal ชวน police ราวถ่วงเลยมันรถจะช่องเขาชัวนะ 10th International Police Expo 2025 New Delhi Pragati Maidan Expo Center จุลัยนี่สมทุ่งปักขัดเละออกัสนี่ขัดชูงานในชูกันชิมโดนอันนี้Zonet ชุ่มกว่าแต่กันวันนี้เลยอ่ะ Expo ห้วยหดตูแต่เฮียนบีกตะกินมินซ้อมเวแล้วมาอ่ะ Expo ในน้ำหุ่นอ่ะกันดวงท่าละท่ากันลากเทบากะ Expo อินโพเตเนนกันอินกอมเทบกอันนี้ International Police Expo ฮีกุมินฮีจุ่มสมอันนี้นะจิอันนี้อ่ะเฮ Expo รัวเฮียนHomeland Security Expo ในงานอันนี้ Expo ราวถ่วงเลยมันรบเขาชัวแต่ฮีอินเดียรำชูงาเสียมชัวเฟกอันนี้อะสุรการไล่ปุ๋ยมาหลักนะ Make in India MII มาหลักนะมันรัวเลยราวถ่วงแต่ฮีเสียมเฟกอันนี้registration ฉันติดเอาจีอ่ะกัน registration ที่ pre-registration อันนี้อ่ะให้เป็นตัวเราเห็นนะรู้ที่เราว่าตุนจุ่มหมายเห็น delegate จังอินกันรู้ดอนอันนี้ให้ฮีเก่งก็อรังอ่ะให้เป็นตัวเราให้ชวนนะรู้ที่เราชิมมาเกตอ่ะเห็นดิวตีนอมเวก้าชวนมินเราดังดอนอันนี้ชวนชวนถ้าเตียงก็ตัวให้ชวน pre-register อามาอินเดียรู้ลอกเวกังไงอ่ะตอนจุ่มมาเห็นไก่นี่ฮีorganizer เห็น delegate ตัวนี้มีนนซ้อมมาชุดเตียงชวนกันรู้ดอนนี่เฮ้ยฮีตอนเมื่อแม่นาร์เกีย videographer ตาตัวนี้ไปตรงนี้ตัวไหนเห็น 10th International Police Expo กันแม่ก็เฮ้เพราะอันที่น้ำหุ่นฮีPragati Maidan New Delhi อันนี้กลุ่มลำคานกัน local ตัวกลุ่มไหนเฮียนvisitor สังอินมินวันซ้อมชวนกันหันฝั่งกัวจันโดนนี่เฮ Police Expo เฮียนที่จะช่างออกมา Homeland Security Expo อมบกะจะมีหัวอยากชวนที่ช่างที่ Expo เฮียนเขาชัวกันนี่อาบิกตะกิน drone กันหันที่เตสิไปเลยpolice อาบิกินติดตายละ police น่ะอันมันเทตัวมันจะช่างอันมันจังกายเทตัวเฮลัยมันไอเห็นเขาชัวเช่นนี้ครับตัวจุ่มมาพอเห็นคือตั้มตักเขาชัวโดนอันนี้เฮงที่เองเนี่ยอ๋อ winmate laptop ละมันนี่ให้ชัวอัดชัดมาเริ่มครบไหมเป็นกอลสูงแต่มาหมูนมเดี๋ยวเล็กกันหลุดเดี๋ยวว่าบางทีจู drone เส้นต่ำชีนะตัวจุ่มมาพอเห็น surveillance drone อันต่ำกันริงอ่ะไอ้เจ้าพอเห็นหาริงอต drone อาชีพอะไรเห็นกัลพอติลาทางเนี่ย
Hello everyone, I am Lokesh Munrar. I am UPSC Engineering Services 2018 batch officer. Coming to this International Police Expo, so this is our stall of Advanced Weapons and Equipment India Limited. A little bit about our history, that this DPSU was carved out from Ordnance Factory Board. In 2021, 7 DPSUs were formed. The one of the DPSU is this one. So what we are making is, right now we are making some small arms, medium caliber weapons and big caliber weapons also. Right now, because of this Police Expo, we have brought the weapons which can be utilized by our forces.
Okay.
Police forces. So coming to our first weapon, this is our 9x 19mm pistol. We'll go to this side.
Yes,
that will be
yes.
better.
Come.
So 9x 19mm pistol. If you see, this weapon is weapon size. If you see, it is very small size and very compact design. So this weapon, it is being used for this close quarter battles, CQB kind of operation. So if you see, this effective range is about 100 meters. In 100 meters, proper accuracy will be there. Coming to our next weapon. So if you see,
Trichy assault rifle.
Why
Okay.
this name? Because this weapon is manufactured in Ordnance Factory Trichy.
Trichy.
So this is
Okay.
100% indigenous. All weapons, whatever you are seeing, all are
100% indigenous.
Indigenous weapon. This weapon, if you compare with AK-47, this
Yeah.
is 1-to-1. It will be similar
It's
to
look
that
like
weapon.
AK.
Yeah. So it is similarly. Why? Because all of our armed forces earlier, they were procuring this AK-47. But what we thought, why they have to procure from outside? But even if we are capable, then we should make. So same weapon we have made with this our own design philosophy, and we have supplied more than 70,000 numbers of to this weapon to different CAPFs. Like
Okay.
CAPFs, then state police forces are there, NSG, CRPF, BSF, SSB, everyone we have supplied. So based on their requirement, we are doing the modification. You can see this weapon is having side foldable butt. Some consignees are asking a fixed butt. This, if you see, this is a side foldable butt version. You can press this weapon and it will be fitted like this. It will be fixed here. Then this cocking will be there. So based on the requirement, we are giving this side foldable butt version, fixed butt version, as well as if some consignee, you see here 3 modes are there: single mode, automatic mode and safety mode. If we are putting it in safety mode, we cannot cock the weapon. It will not cock.
Okay.
But if it is in different mode like single or automatic mode, we can cock the weapon and we can do the firing. Okay. Then based on the requirement, some state police forces, what they are asking, single mode they want.
Okay.
Like Maharashtra police, what they are telling is they are having a little bit higher population density. So they want only single round. So that also we have got. In some of the cases, they are asking this selector lever is there, no? Both sides they want. So that also we have provided based on the requirement of the police forces.
And what the advantage I see is there is a Picatinny rail.
Yeah, Picatinny rail, if you see in this design, I will come to the next upgraded version also,
Okay.
that will see there. So Picatinny rail is there, whatever sighting system if you want or any mounting you want, you can fit in this weapon. So this is our Trichy assault rifle.
Okay.
As I have told already, more than 70,000 number we have supplied to various state police forces.
This one is
as well as-
7.62 into
This is 7.62 mm belt-fed light machine gun. This is 7.62 into 39 mm.
39.
Coming to this system, this caliber into 7.62 into 51. So based on the weapons caliber, that range is also little bit more. If you see this effective range at 800 meter, and weight is also around little bit lesser, 9.7 kg. Person can take it on their shoulder and they can go ahead. Otherwise, if here you can see the bipod system is there. On 2 system it will be available. Around total effective range is around 800 meter, and that belt fed system is there. Here if you see, we are having a magazine of 30 rounds.
30 rounds.
And in automatic mode, within 3 to 4 seconds, full round will be over. But so that capability will be limited by the size of the magazine. But here belt fed system is there. You see, it's the total हमारी जो rate of fire is there around 600 rounds per minute. So if you are having a 600 rounds belt fed machine, belt fed system, 600 rounds can be fired at a single time. So like that it is there.
Very good. We'll go that
yes.
side. So lang masakan pay lang ah.
Coming to our next weapon, this is TAR 25. Now if you have
TAR
seen
25,
yeah. This is the upgraded version of TAR. In
7.62
7.62 to 39
mm.
Yeah. This is the upgraded version of that weapon. So if you compare this and that one, but right now Indian Army is using AK-203 system. But what different CAPFs, what they are asking that they also want this weapon. State police forces also they are telling, but that much capability, around 7 lakh orders is there. Just थोड़ी देर में. एक मिनट आप थोड़ी देर उधर पे रखो. This portion you can cut. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
So this weapon right now, Army is AK-203 their design they are taking. So that our team they are unable to give to any other customer. So what we thought, that same design we will make. Compare this with that weapon. In this we have given this Picatinny on cover also. Here also we can give the picatinny, although in this design it is not visible. We can put the same this upper hand guard over there.
Okay.
As well as if you see here in the lower hand guard also we have given picatinny. I will remove this thing and I will show. Lower hand guard also we have given picatinny. As well as inside also we have given picatinny. So based on the whatever requirement, whatever mountings are there, that we can
It
use.
means that quadrille.
Got it. Everywhere we can give. Now same thing, all design modification, whatever good things are there, everything is available here also. Selector lever, safety operations are there. Then cover design, little bit differentiation is there. Then if you see the design of grip, our this also we have designed so that it will be a little bit ergonomic. It will be easier for forces to use.
Sure.
Then some person what they are asking is modification design of the magazine. Here transparent magazine is also available. So based on the requirement of the consignee, we are able to supply whatever they are wanting.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes. So coming to our next weapon, this is 5.56 into 45 mm CQB weapon. This weapon you would have seen, that is also 5.56, 5.5. This is 9. That was 9 into 90. This is 5.56 into 45.
this is for CQB also.
This is also CQB, but this range is little bit higher. Around 200 meter range will be there. Same thing in this you see, different, the standard picatinny size is available everywhere. Wherever you want to fit, you can fit this thing. Around 200 meter range will be there. Here also this magazine size is 30 rounds magazine is there. So based on the requirement, we can fire the around. Now coming to our this general purpose machine gun. This weapon if you see, here also this this one, 7.62 into 51. Same caliber it is there. So this range is also little bit higher. But if you compare this way, for this also this weight is around 10.5 kg. So accordingly that our हमारी जो range है that is around 1800 meter.
Okay.
But same thing with problem is this one little bit weapon weight will be higher. So based on the requirement we can use that bipod, tripod, whatever we want. Same
The design is inspired by Bren or something?
no, actually, but we are having our own LMG guns. Though earlier those weight, if you compare, that was around 19 kg, and 19 kg out of those 19 kg, 7 kg weight was our tripod's weight.
Okay.
So then we have done some calculation. We have reduced the weight. Based on that, some modification is barrel also we have done. Again, here also if you see that same belt fed system is there. So based on the requirement, whatever we want, that much magazines we can fire. So this is it. Apart from that also we are making, our units are making some grenade launchers, pistols, then some for civil trades weapon also. Some
Any
of
civilians?
the weapons. Yeah. We are making that, we have not brought here. Like .315 sporting rifle is there, that we are making.
Rifles?
Yeah, sporting rifle is there. Then some pistols are there that we are giving to police forces also, and then non-prohibited boards we are supplying to
like
civilians.
3.2?
Also. Yeah, 3.2. That exactly that details I am not having because that our factory,
0.22?
our factory is not making that weapon.
Okay.
So another one. So that details, if you give me your card details or anything, I will give to you. Whatever our full product, this thing is there.
Okay. So anyway, I'll explain in our language.
Sure. Definitely. So very nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. To na kan mo hi GPMG antia general purpose machine gun ania. Hey caliber chu amuman chu 7.62 into 51 mm ania. Ari jong hi kg som le gram nga ani. Ti chuan aka thui jong hi metal sang kha jariat a thui akap theya. Ti chuan hai iron sight amanga ta hinin bat stock ani boka hei hi soitong khanin general purpose machine gun antia mi pakhatan poken velo lo thayan ti hei kan thei to kin kan zir chianga machine gun te chuwang chon a weight azang thei tur bara kan siam ani antia kan soitang khanan ni hi advanced weapon and equipment india limited kha ania ti chon heta hianin 5.56 into 45 mm umlea hei chu CQB an man ania lo hi barrel te hi to ya kenan wama ti chuan kan soi tong khan a caliber hi 5.56 into 45 mm ani ya ti chuan a effective range chu nataka aka thlen thaya kha chu meter zan hi ani ti chuan in single le auto in aka thei bok ani hi CQB kan hanti kha chu close quarter battle combat kan ti khani ya hei chu in chung chep deuh dewa te po han chet pui mai thei tura te ani ti chuan helai henin AK-47 ang tak kha anni hian an design boka TT assault rifle antia hai 7.62 into 39 mm ania AK-47 mu hang kan ti khani อันนี้จีน่าขันสวยนัวตัวกันห่วงขันแห้งลายเด่นไปกันนี่เรลอันนี้ติดชวนชีราอมบกอันนัวไอเฮียนอมบกตาจุงอาชวนินอันดูชวนินสโคปันล่างเทียเรดดอทไซต์อันล่างเทียบกreflectไซต์ช่างขันตีเทียบกติดชวนตัวสไลด์อันมาวน์เทียฟลาชไลท์อันมาวน์เทียถ้าเตียงขันเลเซอร์คลักอินดูชวนอวัวเทียนี่ติดชวนสวยตัวงินอันแม็กซินไอเฮียนมุสมทุ่มอะไรเงี้ยดูชวนิน transparent อังเตปโอคาตุนมาอินซาสันมันอังชีเตปโอคาโอดาร์ชวนอมเทียนี่โซตะกันกัลตัวนั่นละมาขันนี่นั่นกัลเล่ทวกิละอัน expert แม่ไม่อันนี้โหฮิจู until ไว้หัวน่ะยังไล่ duty ตัวละอันหันตีโตฮิจูเฮ้ย 7.62 mm LMG เท่าขันนี่อ่ะฮิจูกันสวยเฟียตัวอับุลมีจอกฮีกันสวยเลยโดนเนี่ย Hello sir, can we have? Yeah. Okay. So right now we are in the CP Plus.
What is the plan? I mean,
Can you show me around what thing you have and everything? Okay. Which come first? All are for surveillances.
yeah, from surveillance.
Let him give a little introduction about company
Okay.
first.
Company first, and then we'll go to the
Sure.
locations and
Okay.
I'll explain.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
So, should I start?
Yes. You can start.
So, we CP Plus, we are committed to provide our rugged and the best innovative solution to the market. At present, we are here in the Expo to show the products which are new for the public, new for the environment, society and defenses, and also post STQC. Now, all the products which are coming in India, those are make in India. We have started our own manufacturing plant long back, but now which plant is there in Andhra, this is the biggest plant across Asia, where we product 50 lakh of products, different type of products like camera, recorders and other product of surveillance. Those are for India, for people of India, made by Indians. All the Indians are there. See, we have approx 70% of female employee there in our factory. So the CP Plus company is also committed for the environment support, for the employment support and for the nation services.
Okay.
So here I want to show you some products which are new for the environment, for the society and also the major requirement of the market. See, slowly analog solution is moving out. It will phase out. Now everything is coming with the IP. And these IP solutions are with built-in AI features. Artificial intelligences are there.
Like face recognition?
Like face recognition, like number plate recognition, like some abandoned object or some event which is happening there. So the camera could be an active device for you, not the passive device. Whenever the camera is there, whatever is happening in front of the camera, the immediate information is coming to the end user or the control room. So command control room can activate immediately whatever they want to do, rapid action can be taken.
Okay.
So that's why we have a complete solution where we are showing here, we are showcasing, although this is not possible to provide show off all the brand, models of our product. But see, here we are showing that what type of accessories are required. Maybe in your solution you need a switch which has 4 port or 8 port or 12 port or 24 port, depend that what type of requirement is there. So we provide a switch which has a normal port or maybe a giga port or maybe a fiber port. All type of solutions are there, all type of cables are there. And racks.
Oh, right.
Either it is a 6U rack or the 32U rack, depend that what type of rack is required.
Okay.
So all type of racks. Also SD cards we provide, memory cards.
SD card, memory card.
Yeah.
64 GB and all.
Yeah.
Okay.
So up to 256 GB memory cards are there, because most of the cameras now coming with built-in memory.
Oh, built-in memory.
Yeah. So if you place a
Okay.
card in the camera and suppose the network is disconnected, so memory will be there.
I
So
see.
when the network will be reconnected, the data automatically will transfer to the controller. So that is a major benefit. So now the camera is ready for everything.
I
Memory
see.
is there, AI is there, or you can connect alarm input output. You can connect one speaker, one microphone. So camera can talk two-way. That is possible.
Yes. Okay, wait, sir. I'll explain in our language. That's the new one for us. Ani hi chuan in CP Plus in hei hetiang SD card hi an nei ta ni. SDXC card ani ta hei 64GB ni up to
256.
250GB te po an nei ta ni. Tu ma ha chuan kan CCTV camera hi heta control unit and hard disk ne in zom ta visual in sui khat chep chat ta se data zong kha amhu thelo ha latin an chat la zong kha hu thelo ha ni ma se CP Plus in na tu na hian advantage an nei ta chu an camera he 64GB card hi an install nga an zudalu ta nga tu na hi kan camera manang che hi ne maya te chuanin engang pon sui khakat ma se kha camera ina alak zong kha chuin record veka nga te chuan SD card ta om pia lama khan sui ne na an zom le huna an zom that le huna khan data zong kha memory a heta controlling unit a khanin transfer le vek thei ni. Oh, okay sir, continue.
So
Helama kalang.
So these are the camera which are STQC certified.
Okay.
You know, the government has planned that everything must be manufactured in India. So all the camera will be tested in the laboratory, and STQC certification is there. So it means that product is protected from cyber threat. So all the products which are there are protected from cyber threat. So we have done major action which is required, like we have our own setup of server in India. We have our own server. The all data which is there, all type of cyber security actions are taken. Whatever protection is required, that is provided in the chipset. So most of these things which are required to test it, that is done, because MIT has asked to all the manufacturers that their camera must be STQC certified, then only it will be permitted for the installation. So whatever product we are selling, those are STQC certified. This Q is indication that the camera is STQC certified. Earlier these models are most of the, so that's why the normal brand or OEM brands, those are out of market. Because local brands or Chinese brand, government want to stop them. They want some Indian brands with a rugged technology and with proper satisfaction or confidence, or the confidential data must be there. Data cannot be stolen by somebody else from outside. So that action is taken, and those cameras are connected with most of the AI features. AI features means like this has dual light camera, IR for night light,
Yes,
and if you want to capture color images, you can switch on this light automatically or manually. So that light will provide a color resolution, so you can capture the color images in the night. So these are both the dual options are there. It means white light and IR light both are there in the camera, and also some cameras are having built-in microphone. So the
This
camera
also has microphone.
Yeah, this and
I
also speaker.
I have in my shop. This one.
And also speaker.
Mr. Alte suppliers.
Okay. And it has a speaker also.
Yes.
So it means from the remote you can talk to your team. So if somebody suppose a person is there at the gate and coming to meet you, you check him. Okay, what you are doing? You can talk to him and you can permit him to come inside, or you can suggest him that okay, I'm in Delhi now.
I have this one. See.
Yes, yeah. So the best quality, the color quality is there, resolution is good. So because 2 megapixel resolution is there, so for color and the quality, everything, you can also capture the numbers. Everything is visible.
I have the microphone and all this.
Microphone.
This is the live feed.
Yeah.
Ito na control pama anom live make niya to na New Delhi trangin to da anom live make hi kan ani ni. Ani hi CP Plus niya kay hianin. Kay ni point CP Plus hi kan mang meka kan han fak sak version sim do ni. This is the live feed. So this is Mizoram right now. Okay. Okay, good. Continue, sir. Then
We do lot of things for defense also. For BSF we provide some solution, and these all the cameras.
these are the movable one. This one
This is PTZ camera.
PTZ
It
camera.
can
I
view up to
control.
360 degree,
Yes.
pan, tilt up to 90 degree, and zoom up to 1 kilometer. So
1 kilometer.
Yes, So you can
The resolution will be fine.
see earlier the requirement was limited, but now because of force they required more and more technology inside the camera. So this camera provide everything, but like up to 400 meter IR. So say in the night the camera can view up to 400 meter.
Yes,
So all the facilities are there. This is ANPR camera. So it can capture the number plate. It can record vehicle number, vehicle color, vehicles, how many tires are there, 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, whatever there, or which make is there. Ma'am, the Monarch was also there. Monarch ji,
Kalau saya feel ako, this one
ma'am
is
आ गई खुद ही.
PTZ camera niya. Hey, chu eyes wala tepo tu na kian dan ito. Hey, chu control room matangin panning te tilt up tilt down. Camera ti son ti san. Viding lam vei lam chung lam hoi lam zong zong and tin a zoom thei bokani. Okay sir.
So these cameras can be connected to control room. So any vehicle is coming from the gate, immediately you will get the number. And suppose this is a blacklisted number, you can blacklist this number. It is a theft vehicle, you will get alarm. Okay. So this vehicle is present there, immediately you can take action. So rapid action is possible through this kind of facility. Similarly, all the cameras which are there may having FR solution, face recognition solution. So suppose you have employment of 1,000 people in your company, and you have some doubt on 2-3 people. So just put the data in the system that these 4 or 5 people, if they are coming in the company, I will get immediate information. Immediately, whenever they will come in front of the camera will detect and tell you that this person is at the gate. So immediately you can stop them, or you can do the action whatever is required. So that is possible through FR technology. A part of that, one more technology which is required is object missing and abandoned. Means this object is yours. It is lying here. The camera you placed here. So what you do, you provide a square here, virtual square outside, and if anybody comes and try to pick it, immediately you will get alarm in your control room. If someone is stealing your item, like the vehicle is parked outside, somebody is coming to
there is alarm
remove the
system.
battery. Yeah, alarm system you can connect. That is possible. So if someone is coming to take your stepney, or the thief are trying to steal the battery, you will get the alarm. So this type of object missing and abandoned object means, if suppose it's our office and someone come and by intention keep something here, you can get alarm. So that is also possible. So these are the alarms, either this face detection or the people counting. How many people are coming here? That can be counted. Object missing or abandoned. And tripwire. Sir, you have your factory. You know that in the night someone can jump the wall and come inside. Just make a virtual line on the boundary and plan in the system that suppose in the night if somebody try to jump up, you will get alarm and all the lights will on. So that
That will be
solution
the
is there.
imaginary line.
Imaginary. That is virtual line. It will not
Virtual line.
visible. Virtual. You will make in the system.
Okay. I see.
So without providing any kind of extra thing, you will get alarm. No sensor is required. So these are the thing which is happening in the system now. So through the camera, you can make a solution which is an active solution. It can do whatever. See, you know, nowadays fire is a major problem. You can also integrate fire alarm system in this system. It's CCTV. So this CCTV sitting in a control room, having the big control room, having connected with 500 cameras, you can control everything in the
Is there any mini system for the home use?
Yes.
Like this type?
Yes. See, suppose you place 8 camera or 16 camera. Similarly, those systems which I am talking about, we can create in your NVR. That is possible.
It's depend on the recorder.
Recorder, and also for the SI, the system integrator. Like Mr. Trader, SR Traders. They are certified by us and the Skill India that they are the expert. They can do it. Whatever you require. What is your requirement? So CP Plus do a training program also. We provide training to all our partners with certification that Skill India provide a certificate after 4 days training that this person is having all the knowledge A to Z of CCTV, can provide a better solution, and also he is capable to handle a big site or big project easily. So that I can say that he can do it.
Okay.
If you want it, I will provide in your place.
Sure.
That is possible.
Okay, I'll explain in our language.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, excuse me. Til tam tak kan soya, kan soi ta helai bi ka chon camera chi sang sang ka ma kan soi tong ani a soi tong khan kan soi seng vek to lo nga a chang kang ta em mai chu tun lai hian hei ani CP plus hian in an man ta chu algorithm tun lai chon in AI recognition te kan ti to AI kan soi na sa te ma artificial intelligence chung zong in aron fil chu hei hin ta ni heng an camera zong ai hian in face detection hi om theya chuan machine local zat te chuan mi na thil ruk an tum na zong khatiang an lak don lai alarm om thei te khana set theya tin fencing a khanin min a in le a che vela kha he CCTV camera a khol pakhat mang khanin machine ina kan wa mu thei si lo khanin boundary kha siam thei ni chu min an ron ka ne mo khami boundary chungan local khan alarm ron de thei boka ti chuanin intrusion detection kan tiang chi zong te pok kham thei tin dual light vision kan tin zan lama eng thei kan ti zong mu thei zong te pok kham ma a soi tang khan thil tam tak heta hian om theya chu wang chon he deep learning algorithm pang hianin CP plus hian thil tam tak an thun tel ta mi thil rutur te pok kha alo hriat theya tin motor number zong te tin machine mail khang zong te kha antinan in venga khan mo kan khuwa khanin thil ru thang de hle kan om mai theya khami mail kha voi khat kan nei to chuan kha mail la kha a save theya chuan kha CCTV kan camera khan alo lak to chuan alarm ron pezel to ni kha tiang deuh khanin thil tam tak kha akam lok theya chumi mang chuan an ni hian CP plus surveillance camera an nei ta chumi mang chuan thil tam tak ka ti theya hei kan han om chil rei ta de ule kan ni thil khan nei nga boka.
So you wear
I see this is for the police.
Your police, all the traffic police and the income tax department or BSF, they are using it. So they wear this camera. This camera can record audio and video together. It has a built-in display also. Behind the camera, there is a display. So you can check the video also. Audio is there, video is there, playback is there, memory is there. So everything is there in the camera, and it provides a 8 hours battery backup. So wherever you move, everything will be recorded and you will keep the data. We have two versions. One is offline and another is online. In online camera, what you can do, this camera can be connected to control room.
Yes.
So I am talking to you and the camera will provide the feed to control room. So from the feedback, they can check everything, they can hear everything, and whatever is going on, they can understand. And these are the charges. So when you come to the control room, you place this camera for the charging. Automatically the data will be transferred in the hard disk.
This is hard disk.
This has built-in hard disk. So in the screen you can take the playback and also check the data. And when you remove the phone, it will be blank. It is ready for next recording. So data transfer is not a headache for you. You just only because maybe
Just charging.
Just charging.
Okay.
Because you may be a police person. You don't have the knowledge of the computer.
Sure.
So for you, it is only the charging and data transfer automatic. So this is a new thing. And see, this can be multiple devices can be connected to one area. So the benefit is it is GPS location. So wherever you are, we have the information that where you are. And drop resistance from this height.
It is rugged.
It is rugged. It is waterproof, dustproof, and it can't be damaged. Okay. And
IP65.
IP16, 67.
67 grade.
Yeah, and up to 4K resolution. Okay, and face recognition we also
Again.
get. So this is the features which are there.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the, and also same here in for vehicles. So these are the requirement of all the guards, hospitals. Because in most of the hospitals, the guard is there. Pupil of, the patient's family can make a problem for them that my patient has been dead because of you or because of the doctor. So in that case, they want some evidence that what's happened, who is the criminal, who is the culprit. So that time this recording will be enough for them. Similarly, when police person making some challan, they want to record that what's going on and how the challan is happening. So these are the information which has to be recorded.
I see.
This is a good device to use.
To whom it supply this type of
BSF, police, all police, UP police, Delhi police, and your place also. Multiple police persons are using it.
I see.
You have started.
CP Plus henin thilam nei chikim khop maya e helai kan muang henin Full HD body worn camera antia athen hi to 2K tenia athen hi 4 megapixel te ponia hei hi an man na chu eta a hen kan mu chiang theo me movie film te movie kan han ena police na an man da thin khani chu hei henin heng ho hi chu amai record chara nu em thei khania heng hi chu live feed ani ta ni Osama bin Laden an tha do na White House satanga an lo en te po kha hetiang vek kha ani mela system chu athil chu danglam mai thaya amara chu a system ro chu nakina da mai ro se hei hetiang hi ni ta nu a hianin LCD screen om boka heng hi ti hianin an pai mai ta attention henga te ni nga chu zong zong chu live feed kha hei hi akal na pianga hemi camera akal na pianga thil lo langa kha alang zui mai ta thina chu tiang chu chuna soita khan Delhi police nan manga UP police nan manga BSF te pon an mang bokani anni hianin an supply to ni Mizoram ma nei ve thaila chuna tangkai view mai thaye thil tam taka tin evidence police khanin katilo kati te po khati thaya chung zong zong chu he tang hianin amu chho thaya tin advantage athil thanai mem chu hei hi a charger ni ta antinan mi kha office of thlen khanin hetia charge mai tur hi ni ta heta hinan dalu ta khami in charge pa khanin helaya data nei athil record zong zong kha hemi hard disk a hina lalu thalani a san pa computer hetia watia memory card mo SD card mo handa han lak luang kha ngai lowa hemin connect ka an charge pa khanin helai hard disk chu ngai henin data zong zong kha in transfer ta maya thil tang kai tak ani don ani thilan nei nga khop mai ei ba saman chi te pon nei heng camera hen facial recognition zong zong pon nei tin IP67 proof ani hei IP6 excuse me IP67 chu tui meter thum apo khanin apil thei ti nang vel ani chu ka soi solem ka selowa en pon ni selo waterproof ani chu
Ino mem Thì cần lâu lệ Ino mem
A few minutes later.
ô cả lâu cơ
Dorin họa thì chọn dorhak ta chơi tiếng dorin họa lâu thì cần lấy đủ te cần lấy thế nga mi giống giống hiện self vek lo mi số lần tầm tụ kalpa thil bo the tầm tụ khem bong de wa khati om bong bong khati lo su sim tin dar join nem
nei lâu baka khi CCTV kan wa ve kalom kom bo chung bo khan phone changi dan jong song ken ve kalom Mizoram security surveillance bunglozo na hun puya hian rending lut vero le CCTV aman to ber changa to ber thin kan kola aizol pon lam atang min do tu te po amuna kan wa sak theye I mobile phone na changa ol sam takai the turin I CCTV le I phone athonin kan thunsom sak thei boke arrest traders third isolation U13 Hospital Road Dorpui phone 9862 327 777
hei ka bula hian puma enga oma hei Delhi a hen kan hain hu fu holani kan soi tong khanin tun hi kanom nam huni hi International Expo 10 International Police Expo ani helai hmuna in thil cha sang sang an zuara tuna kan om na me ki CP Plus stall ani ya puma ngin hen hei kan nen hu fu a CP Plus po hi anni po hin an zuarin ka si a anni hi arrest traders khan ni ya an tu ayen thil cha sang sang surveillance camera kan ti CCTV camera te po zuar vekta ichon ngele puma eng helai hianin engenge mu dan te khamin silte he expo hi tin he kanom na hun CP Plus nge hi nang mani po khanin supply in ka sia emi chungchang expo le ta bi chungchang kha khong emi silte
nia hei expo om don ti ka hriat tir khanin an mani company lam pangrang hianin ichim duin tia somna kha ka donga april kha ti lam pang ti to khanin ticket payment an thona hei ten when nia hun te kan thleng theya along om khatia CP Plus hi Mizoram sang hi le som paruk atangin he sum don na hi surveillance sum don na bi ka hi kan chana hemi kan tran tir hianin kan company dor ma sak ber ta zinga mi an ni a channel partner ate dealership te khate hani min han pe hei vo in ni an mani som na dom tak wangin hetlai hmuna export po han sim the ni a ne he nang ni lo om rem chang han soita ka chuanin CP Plus company lun le yang India rama company lun ber bol khovela po langpha an ni a India rama number 1 an ni a Asia rama tuna henin pathum na din manan ho me ka tiang khopa khovela po pasare na din hum ho me kan ni boka CP Plus company lun lu tu kan ni a tian heta gohati a branch ten ne gohati a nan khata tanga interest hawin ti hen voi ni teng hen kan nei do so zela le kan supply le milmala kan the chua tam zo khi CP Plus company hi ni a le enge ni mizowin kan man thiam ti me yang kan ril rem zong tak mai hianin achung lampang khol thil te poin siam thiam ka tia company sang sang te po ka han kola amai ro CP Plus to ka hoi nuam le CP Plus to ka enge ni user friendly kan ti hi om lo ni ka tiang khop kanin CP Plus hi mizo te manom re molong ni ka sia ka hum ta la chuan
ให้ผู้มาเห็นกี่นี่พอ CP Plus ให้มัน supply อ่ะถ้าใช้ตั้งคันนี่ user friendly ครบมาอ่ะมันนั่นหัวมาอัลซัมาเป็นก็เสียทีจินอัตโลบกันนี่จู่ๆอันนี้ IPX proof กันทันที IP65 ที่เตะขัดเอกเตะคันนี่นกเข้ามาช่วงหวังช่วงนี้ waterproof กันทันที dust proof กันทันทีเตะขัดในเข้ามาเป็นจานาทบกจานาให้นัทลัก IP กล้องเราไปจู่เฟียเมมากันสวยเตลสักโดนี่จู่กลุ่มพันตัวนี้วางเงินจุดเตียงเวลจุดนี้ให้ลาย CP Plus company อันนี้ supplier อันนี้ CP Plus CCTV กับไม่รามังเวดูจวนิน CCTV กับไม่รามังเวดูจวนินผู้มาเองไงอันดอร์ค่ะ
RS Traders
อันนี้จู่
ดอร์ปุย hospital
civil hospital โรตาอันนี้หินออกมาอันนี้หิคนตักเทนี่เถอะค่ะให้ลายกันกัลเริ่มจางอินมิโซปากันอินมุบกะ CP Plus กันหันใส่วักันนี่จู่เฮ้ยอีกโดรนเงี้ยเนี่ยว่าให้ปล่อย civilian drones เท่านี้อัน expert ที่เบียกตัวกันในเทียงชั่วโมงอันไล่ดอร์นะสักขบไม่ให้ฮัลโหล
हमारे जो प्रोजेक्ट है मोस्टली वो है कंपोनेंट सप्लाई कॉकपिट सिस्टम हो गए बैटरी हो गए मल्टीपल कंपनीज हमारी पर हमारे पास अभी कंप्लीट सोल्यूशन नहीं है मतलब अगर ड्रोन का कुछ भी लेना होगा तो ड्रोन हम नहीं बना सकते उन्हें बनाया नहीं है तो अभी हम पार्टनर देख रहे हैं यूके और यूएस के में क्योंकि हमारे को मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं
मैं आपको जो हमारे CEO सर उनसे कनेक्ट करूँगा सर मैं आप बता
नहीं दौर expert anat le ma hey kini na kan man trin DJI Mini 3 Pro kan ti te Mavic te ne khanai nang khat de ore mai chu ma se nge dang lam na kan na se thei to ngai la
हमारा
Indo Wing sanya ni
तो हम अगर मूव करेंगे तो बहुत जल्दी और बहुत क्विकली मूव करेंगे जो भी पार्टनर हमारे साथ जाएगा तब हम चाहेंगे मतलब प्लान ये है कि उस पार्टनर के ड्रोन वगैरह भी हम यूके के अंदर एग्जीबिशन देंगे क्योंकि हमारे सारे फोर्सेस के साथ नेटो के साथ बहुत बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट
करने के लिए अभी कर ही रहे हैं वो बनाया था आपका रिक्वेस्ट RFP बनाया था 2-3 मिनट इसमें हम एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे
whenever you little free, let us know. We like to have a chat. Sure. Okay, we are there for some more time.
Sure.
We are 3-4 of us, and if you just sit, we have.
Sure.
कई सिस्टम पे और भी काम कर रहे हैं और इंग्लिश में लिखा था आपका CEO यहाँ पे आएंगे
सर
helai hian tun hai mizoram ate po kan na lo phesiat ve ta ke mem carbon fiber pangathil tuam an ya hai thani chu drone ste po hian tuam vekani
last day with up.
carbon fiber reflection and antenna tite carbon fiber drone structure tite so
Hi, myself Rishabh Raj from Carbon Pvt Limited.
Okay.
And we are the manufacturer of carbon fiber composite products. So we are manufacturing fully drone structure for drone manufacturer. So you can see that this is the drone manufacturer. We are not manufacturing drone.
okay
We are
only the
manufacturing
structure.
structure
Okay.
and a structure related product. That's like carbon fiber tubes, seat, molded components. And actually we are dealing with 4 segments in composites.
Okay.
Like for drone and UAVs, industrial, medical and defense. So you can see our product list. This is this type of material like antenna, launch tube. This is supply for tripod for
Tripod.
tripod.
Okay.
Tripod. This is supply for some defense application. And this type of a structure is supplying for drone and UAV applications.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the advantages of that carbon fiber wrapping and all these things?
Yeah, we have in-house manufacturing. We have in-house machining. We are using some prepared material to manufacture this type of tube. And we have a machine of vacuum bagging and compression molding to manufacture the seats.
What are the advantages with carbon fiber and non-carbon fiber?
Yeah, the advantage of carbon fiber is that it is very light in weight, corrosion resistive, and it is very good for flying any object because it's a very light weight, and there is no chances for taking rust in this product.
So the payload capacity will be high.
High. Its strength is very good in comparison to the weight ratio of steel.
Okay.
It's 4 times stronger than the steel. Yeah.
Okay, very good. I'll explain in Mezo.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Omjetu hey carbon fiber trangin an siama hengti these are the tube. Oh hengti amman ro vek ni ta ni. Carbon fiber mang hian an ni hian in an siam cho ka chu chu. Abikin an ni hi chon a drone sa khan siam lo wa ma se a structure drone structure kha carbon fiber in an siam ta ni. Tun lai chuan in hetia commercial kan man keini na khotha kan lak na te ram thla kan lak na pi mai lo ma hian thil deliver nan te tin agriculture hemi lo nei na pon siam na thong thong khanin pan na lo ni to ta tin a thena chon surveillance kan hantia ram le lam va en thlang na mo khatiang ta pan man vek ani to wa drone se kan mang na se me mani chutianga chon an ni hian a structure kha an siam ta carbon fiber structure a that big na soita kan khanin azanga chu wang chonin drone payload capacity kan ti drone ina thil a khai thei a kalpui thei kha asang ta em a kg kha drone ina thopui thei kha atam ta ni a kg kha chu wang chon carbon fiber kha structure mana kha advantage na thatna atini chu chu sang sang an manga is somebody request about the mini drones and all.
Yeah,
can you do that?
Definitely. Actually, we are also manufacturing this type of drone. This is the FPV drone.
FPV.
FPV.
Yes. FPV.
First person drone.
Yes.
So this type of structure we are also manufacturing.
Okay.
And for nano drone we have also a structure. So this type of drones are used for small drones.
Sure.
And for surveillance purpose.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You can take it.
And work up my hand amber wing so boka drone sampang thawania masen ni hisu temin adana dangdeu amber wings. What type of drones you are having?
So this is a hybrid UAV.
Okay.
So which can carry a payload of about 2 kg.
2 kg.
So currently this drone is fitted with an ISR camera and it has a thermal and optical zoom capability.
Okay.
And it has an optical zoom up to 30x and it has a thermal camera as well, where we can fly in night and we can capture a thermal radiation from the human or animal even at night. So if any person is hidden somewhere in the bushes, we can get the thermal signature from the body and we can identify them. And if there is a tiger which is hidden in the forest, we can capture the thermal radiation from the living being and we can find it. That is one of the applications from thermal, and there are a variety of applications. It can be used in thermal, solar panels, wind turbines, and many other use cases as
well. It is actually used in what types of?
It is basically it's a ISR application. So it's for inspection, surveillance, and reconnaissance. And so this model is called as Aqua 1 actually. So this platform can be modified. We can remove the camera and we can attach a payload bay where we can incorporate 2 kg of payload. It could be anything. It could be a blood, it could be groceries, it could be any medicines which we could carry from one place to another. The main advantage of this vehicle, it could travel about 108 km per hour for a maximum speed. Or the traditional UAV will not travel at that high speed. And it's a hybrid vehicle as well. So it doesn't require a very large space to take off and land. Even we can land in a terrace at the apartment as well.
So the flight duration is?
So flight duration is up to 50 minutes.
50 minutes.
And the one of the key highlights of this mission is this is currently DGCA certified for logistic application. So this is a one and only Indian UAV, hybrid UAV for logistic application. So it is legally allowed to sail and use.
How it come hybrid?
Hybrid, according to Drone Rules 2021, the DGCA has framed. So whatever the vehicle comes as a combination of VTOL. This is for VTOL and this is for fixed wing. The combination of VTOL and fixed wing, it's forming an hybrid vehicle. It's not on the energy part. It's not IC engine and the battery. It's completely on the propulsion and the lift producing from the wing.
Very good.
So
and the other
it has
one?
Both advantages of the multi-copter and the fixed wing as well. The fixed wing advantage, it can cruise faster and it can have a better endurance. The advantage of the VTOL, it can hover in a particular position and it doesn't require a large space for takeoff and landing. So that is both advantages can be brought together in the
I see. Approximately how much? Yes.
Because I could share you based on your need. It could be based on your application.
Around. Can you round up?
So I could say the high-end cost should be around. So we have to discuss based on the need only there.
Okay, no problem. Actually,
because
not on a video. We can talk to you sitting here.
Okay.
So because
then what about this one? This is agricultural purpose.
The cost is if you can have an iPhone, it can be a 13, it can be 11. So based on the version, the cost will vary.
Yes.
So we cannot commit anything on the cost.
Okay, no problem. What about this one?
And this is an agri drone. And this is also a TIE certified. We can use for agricultural applications. We can spray fertilizers, pesticides, weedicides across the field, and it is 5 times quicker than the manual spraying. And we can cover about 30 acres in a day, effectively.
30 acres in a day?
In a day.
Okay.
And in a single charge, it could cover about 3 acres. And a single human can effectively spray only 2 to 3 acres. And if it is a dense crop area, the human cannot penetrate through it. But these drones can fly over there and it can spray uniformly.
30 acres per day?
30 acres per day.
Okay.
This is optimal.
How many liters it can carry?
So it has a capability around 10 liters.
10 liters.
So it is effective for spraying around 1 acre.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Ito na kan muta kan Khan. And company. Your company name is?
So we are from Amber Wings. We are based out of Chennai.
Chennai. You're based in Chennai.
Yes.
ATVA.
ATVA. This is the product name.
Yes, the ATVA. Okay. John, hey, kasi ta kan ATVA ano ya? Asay nuwala kasay vek thei tolo mai thea hey DGCA na apom to hey kan huang khanin Mizoram kan mutam ber drone ang khan hemi propeller vira kang thei khani ma chumi piala ma chuan take off and landing kan tia aeroplane hok so ka chum thei ang khanin hei asiam dang lam thei bokani hemi man na tamjok chu asoi ta kan khanin ram en nante tin ramsa khatiang survey nante thil sang sanga khan ram survey nante thlengpon amman theya te chon anhoi camera hi thlonin hei hi thil phurna na man thei boka asoi kha ka hre sol lo mai theya 2.5 kg ni le chan ve hei hian a phur theya chu hemi drone mang hianin kg ni le chan ve kha chu adu na hmuna awa thak thei awa drop thei tina ni chu a man za che ro kha chu tu na nga hi chonin an soidu che lawa a tu chon thu hoila kan soidon nia an te ti chon hei ni china chweta ang khai hi agro drone khani hei chu Mizoram po agriculture department in hetiang hi chu an lei to a an man te pon han mang sin to ngen sia ti chon an huai hianin hei hi tenki a tank kania heta hianin liter som vel lenga ti chon hei hianin pesticide mo agriculture product khatiang lampang thai emo thei emo khatiang tana lei tha emo khang po kha pek thei ania chumi chu mishing hianin ni khata hian an mani soidan khanin akharan hi wel mishing hi chon kan cover theya amaro chu drone hi chuan ni khata akhar somnga a cover theya chu wang chonin drone chu advantage kha sang hle ni ti te an soini engte yaman chu to shapin karinga an mani kha chon an soi du che lo maro chu ta hriat thoi danin khatiang ho hi chu noi som hi tanga noi som lin kar te ani tlang puya pa hausa de ulek te chonin han nei theisela chonin mishing ina khatianga lei tha mo pesticide ran num tha na lo mo khatianga mishing ina vati ngai lo khan drone mang hian ni khata akhar som nga kha a pe fel mai don ani
Ino mem. Thi kan lo le. Ino mem.
A few minutes later.
Ô cả lâu cơ.
Doring hwa te hi chon dor hak ta cheu ting e doring hwa loin thil kan le du te kan le thenga mi zong zo hi an selvek lo mi solan tamu tu kalpa thil bo the tamu tu khamong de wa khati om bong wang kha chi lo su sim kin dar join nem
Nei lâu. Baka khi CCTV kan wa ve kalom. Kom bo chung bo khan phone na chengi tan jong song ken ve kalom. Mizoram security surveillance bunglo zo na hun puya hian rending lut ve ro le CCTV aman to ber changa to ber thin kan kola aizol pon lam atang min do tu te po amuna kan wa sak theye I mobile phone na changa ol sam takai thei turin I CCTV le I phone athonin kan thunsom sak thei boke RS Traders Third Eye Solution U13 Hospital Road Dorpui phone 9862 327 777